Yeah, give them an update. Everybody, look, yeah, give them an update.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today we're gonna be changing a power steering pump on the G because this one that I have on, it's like kind of squeaking. So I'm gonna change out this one and put in this one. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. The G is still looking good except for this part. Yeah, so yeah guys, drop a comment and let me know if you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get into the install. Okay guys, so first thing you're gonna need to do, I'm gonna remove this reservoir right here. So these are 210s. And make sure y'all don't lose the screws. And this, I'm gonna let this sit right here. And for this bolt right here, it's gonna be a 12. And first you're gonna have to take off the belt first. So y'all could get the belt tensioner tool from AutoZone or Harbor Freight or Walmart, whichever you want to go. And to do like the belt tensioner, it got like the little socket thing right here. So you put like inside this, down below here. So you put it in like this, and you pull back the tensioner like this to release the belt. So I'm gonna do it real quick and show you guys. So just like that, the belt came off. So you could just take it off the pulleys from down here, and you're gonna have to release the belt tensioner right here to take the belt off. But I'm not gonna take the belt off. I'm just gonna take the intake off, and maybe I remove this so I could pull this bolt right here to take this off. So you're gonna need let me see. So you're gonna need a 15-16 to pull the power steering pump screw right there, and you're gonna need a 12 to pull this one, and inside this you're gonna need a 14 to pull the bolt that's inside there. Okay guys, so I pulled this screw right here, and I already pulled this, but I'm gonna have to take this off. So this goes to the reservoir. Take this off, and don't let the power steering fluid leak out. As you can see, this pulley is damaged. It's bent right there. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're gonna remove the bolts right now. Okay guys, so rain just fall, so I had to stop. So now I'm gonna get back to it. Still raining a little bit, so yeah. Okay guys, so I take the 12 from right here. So the power steering pump should come out now. Okay guys, so just like that, it's out. And there's the new one right there. So this is the old one. So same procedure, same thing. So when you, just like how you take out this one, that's how you put in that one. So yeah, and I'm wipe down my alternator first before I put the new one in. Okay guys, so I just got it in. It's like right there. You could barely see it, but it's in. So we got the 12 in. So we're gonna tighten the 14 that's down here. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then get back to you guys. It's like right there. So if you put your hands there, you could feel it right here. Okay guys, so I put it back together. So you can see the pump right here. So I'm gonna tighten this 12 right there. Fuck. Alright, so it's all snug. For the pump again, gonna have to put back the clamp for right here, but we're gonna do that last. So let's put in this to go right here. So this part, the oil go in this and cool in the cooler at the front. So we're gonna put back this and put back this with the clamp. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the new one right now. So it's gonna sit just like this. But first, let me take this out. So it's gonna sit just like this. And get back your 12. So it's gonna sit just like this. And remember to catch back the 14. You're gonna have to spin the wheel and try to find the hole. So I'm gonna find it and then show you guys when I'm putting it back together. Okay guys, so I just put on the belt and I'm using the serpentine belt tool, and I'm using a diagram of the belt, like right here. You could search it up if you want. So I just put on the belt. So just like that, the belt is on. And make sure you guys check if the belt is in the grooves. So when you start a car, it won't like run off. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to like tighten the belt tensioner right here and put everything back together. And yeah guys, okay guys, so I tightened this one already, so I'm gonna put this back together. So just like that, and use a flat point to tighten it at the same place you get it from. So it should be like this. So everything is on this, the 12 and the 14. So it's time to put on back the belt and refill back the reservoir. Okay guys, so I button up everything. So time to put back power steering fluid in this. I'm gonna have to get some new one, but I'm gonna just use back the old one, because you could use it back, but because I don't have no new one, so I'm gonna just use it back. Yeah guys, everything is buttoned up. Put the belt back on. So time to tighten these and put back the catch can right here. And yeah guys, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. So now we're gonna do the first startup with a new power steering pump. Everything is buttoned up right now, so we're gonna get the first startup.